Sairam kids, today in Max I'm going to discuss about the formative assessment. Last month, in the month of August, we have finished with Max orals and activity. In orals we had done tables, and in activity we had done designs with the geometric shape. Now in the month of September also we have internal assessment, that is we have formative assessment, that is activity and assessment. Now in activity is for 10 marks and assessment is for 10 marks. Now in activity, which is 10 marks, we have counting in groups and expanded form. Now in this, what you are going to do, I am going to explain. Here I am going to give you all 5 numbers. Any 5 numbers will be given. Now with these numbers you are going to show counting in groups and expanded form. Now you all will be thinking how? Just wait. Here, can you all see this ice cream cone, children? Parents? Okay. What you are going to do? You are going to do cutout from the paper, any colorful paper, and you are going to, the numbers which I am giving, 5 numbers, with that 5 numbers you are going to make counting in groups. You are going to show the counting in groups, the expanded form, and you are going to write the spellings of that number. The example is given here. Look here, the first one is 19. A cone, ice cream cone is made. On that cone, number 19 is been written. On top of that, spelling has been written, 19. Then they have shown the place value of 19. 1 is in tens place and 9 is in ones place. Then show the expanded form, 10 plus 9, and then show the counting in groups. Okay. Now the next one, they have shown, see, number 25. Here first they have shown the expanded form, then they have written the spelling, then they have shown the place value, counting in groups, and then the place value. Anyhow you can write, but this 4 should be there. Okay. Now for this you need materials required are any plain paper, pencil, eraser, scale, crayons. Now on the paper, again I am saying, last time for the activity it was not clear, parents. Some had not written their name, roll number, anything. So I couldn't make out whose activity was it. This time please be clear. On the paper, please write the name, standard division, roll number, SID number, and the name of the topic, that is counting in groups and expanded form. I think this much you all are clear. Okay. Now the next one is the assignment, that is also for 10 marks. Now your topic is addition by counting forward. This I have already taught you all. Now what is addition by forward and how you all are going to do? Now addition by forward you all are going to do by using the different colorful bindis. Now bindis means, what is bindis? The ticklies, the which you apply on the forehead, tickly, bindi. That colorful you get, well and good, you buy. Otherwise if you don't get also, don't get scared. You can use pencil. Instead of, you can use pencil instead of that. I'll show you all that thing. Just see. Now here the first number is 19 plus 4. 19 plus 4. Now here first I will take the first number I have written down. Now just tell me, children, how many numbers you are going to count forward after 19? 4. 4 numbers. So how many bindis you are going to take? 4. Very good. Okay, let's take bindis. Are you all ready? Okay, I am going to take colorful bindi now. Yellow, blue, dark blue, red. More I'll put in this? No. Why? Because it's only mentioned 4. So 4. Now what I'm going to do, children? Under the bindis, what I'm going to write? I'm going to write the numbers that is after 19. Very good. Let's start. 20, 21, 22, 23. So what answer you have got? 23. Very good. Yes. So like this 5 numbers I'll be giving, and all that 5 numbers you are going to show, do assignment like this. Assignment is a type of test which you kids are going to do. Okay. Now, if you don't have bindis, then what you are going to do, just see. Just with the pencil, help of the pencil, you will draw balls and you will write the numbers down. If you want, you can use the crayons also. You can color with the crayons. Okay. Understood, children? Again, teacher is saying, if you don't have bindis, you can make use of the pencil. Just draw balls and write numbers down. Or if you want to color the balls with different colors, you can color also and write the number down. Okay, kids? Now, these are the numbers for which you are going to use colorful bindis and show addition by counting forward. First one is 36 plus 6, 45 plus 5, 85 plus 7, 66 plus 3 and 25 plus 8. Understood? Both activity and assignment you all understood? Okay. Now you on assignment paper also, children, you all are going to write your name, roll number, standard division, SID number and the name of the topic. After that, parents click the photo of the activity and assignment separately. Both should be separately. I don't want in PDF form. I want in paper form only. And submit the same in the WhatsApp group and in the given link. Okay. Submission date is 29/2020, that is September 20. Timing is 12 PM to 8 PM. Again, I am repeating, on the paper, the activity paper also should be separate and the assignment paper also should be separate. And on both the papers, you are going to write the name, standard division, roll number, SID number and the name of the topic. Okay. And please submit on 29/2020, that is September 20th. The timing is 12 PM to 8 PM. Please everyone participate because marks are there for that. And these marks are added in the report card. This activity and assignment marks will be added in the report card. So please submit on the given time. Late submission will not be considered. Okay, everyone understood, I hope so. Everyone try to do neatly and clearly. You all will enjoy this activity. Okay. All the best. Thank you.